not your thoughts, neither are your ways my ways, declares the Lord. Dili daw thought, naka-thought ko na to, dili ko na thought ni Lord. Ang ways ni Lord, dili ways na to. Therefore, God's timing is always perfect. He is fully in control in all times, in all places. And I love this banga. Remember that delay is not denial.
Yes.
Ang delay ni Lord sa tuwa, di na meaning denial, di na meaning no. Amen? God might be delaying His answer to grow our faith. Managingan sa James 1:2, Count it as all joy, my brothers, when you meet trials of various kinds, for you know that the testing of your faith produces steadfastness. Amen? So, the more ka mag-wait, the more dapat ni grow ato ang faith. Tell the person next to you, the more you wait,
The more you wait,
the more you grow your faith.
the more you grow your faith.